Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Thought I would put a thumb in the thumbnail. This video is for the Smith Corona Super Sterling. Smith Corona makes a whole bunch of these machines, different models, different colors, different eras. Retractable lid, super nice typewriters generally. This is all ready to go, works like new. And one thing it needs though, these have carriage release arms on both sides. This one is fine, probably the original, but nice and strong. But this side is missing. If it was just broken or something, I might be able to modify it, but it needs another arm. So let's fix that thing on camera. And I have new replacement carriage release arms that are made out of urethane and resin. They are super smooth. They're just like the original, except they're reinforced down here on the bottom where they break. And I got a guy named Bob who is doing these, and he's got some available if you want to reach out to him through email. I will put the email in the description. So this has the curved side, kind of goes toward the back, or does go toward the back, and this fits on there pretty snug. I'm gonna have to push it on there real tight because it probably doesn't need any glue, but the best thing is to support this arm underneath like that, and then find something to push down on this. You can probably use your hand, but I'm going to use a little tool here. Let's see if I can get this thing on all the way. Okay, that's pretty good. It's on there pretty good. That should work out just fine. Super strong. And yeah, so I'll put his information here, and these can be ordered up in single or pairs maybe, not sure. But let's put his information here on the typewriter, and we'll go from there. Let's see. So we got info at let's see. I will also put this in the description, but that is his email address. Let me verify that, make sure I got it right. It looks like I do. And so yeah, got replacement arms for these now, nice ones. And I've tried some 3D printed arms, and they weren't as nice. These are super nice. So that's why I'm recommending them. All right. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.